So what I'm doing is I'm reusing charcoal that I shut down the kettle, and this way I'm not having to start with a whole new fresh batch of charcoal every single time. I can start with a little bit of fresh, which I'll show in just a moment, and then I can reuse all the other charcoal and save a lot of charcoal and not have to buy bags as often. So I put a little bit in here, just like that. Just get enough to get around the bottom. If you look in there, you can see that there is charcoal inside, but it's not full. And now I'm going to take the rest of the charcoal and shake off the ash from the last cook on them. There's still a lot of charcoal in here. See this? Still a lot of charcoal there. So then I just pour this right on top. And the same thing with this one. I'll shake it out a little bit. Pour this right on top. And if any of the scragglers fall out, I just grab them, throw them in. And now instead of starting from scratch each time with a whole new batch of charcoal, I can start my lighters here. And I can start lighting my charcoal from underneath. And that's how you reuse charcoal and not have to start from scratch. All right, so the fire's hot. You can see it. You can know a fire's hot in a charcoal when the fire's coming out the top. It actually went a little bit longer than I even expected, but we're ready to go here. Pour this in here. I always use this to level out my coals too. I'm gonna set this down with concrete. I'm gonna let this heat up really briefly so I can scratch the grates off real fast. And then we are searing it. Remember how I showed you to save your coals? You just turn this off here. You come down below, close that vent, and now it'll stop the coals from burning. We can save them and reuse them next time. Saves a lot of money over time reusing charcoal like that.